Thriving in English. Understanding. Continue to thrive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey. Continue to thrive. This phrase is not just about survival. It's about flourishing, growing, and succeeding even in the face of challenges. Let's break it down together, so you can not only understand it but also start using it in your conversations and writings. The word, thrive, is a verb that signifies more than just to grow. It means to grow vigorously, to flourish, or to be successful. It's often used to describe plants that grow healthily in a good environment, but it can also refer to people, businesses, and communities. When someone says they're thriving, they're saying they're doing really well in their current situation. Now, let's add continue to the mix. Continue is a verb that means to keep going or persist in doing something without interruption. When we use continue with thrive, we're talking about maintaining that positive growth or success over time. It's not just about being successful, it's about sustaining that success into the future. When we combine these words into the phrase, continue to thrive, we're expressing the hope or affirmation that the success and positive growth someone is experiencing will persist. It's a powerful and positive message to give someone, showing both support and confidence in their abilities. You can use continue to thrive in various contexts, such as encouraging a friend who's doing well at their new job, congratulating a family member on their business success, or even wishing someone well in their personal development journey. It's a versatile phrase that adds depth and positivity to your language. Continue to thrive is more than just a phrase. It's a wish for ongoing success and growth. Whether it's personal, professional, or academic, thriving is what we all aim for. We hope this video has not only helped you understand what it means to continue to thrive, but also inspired you to use this phrase to encourage others around you. Keep thriving, everyone, and see you in our next video.